We wouldn't recommend making your own pouches unless you have a pouch machine, but behind me are some examples of how we print pouches for a pouch order. This is in a continuous print pattern, one right after the other. These are two different versions of a SKU from a particular customer. Rollstock film is done essentially the exact same way. This is set up to run on our pouch machine, and our pouch machine needs it in a particular pattern, and it needs it in a layout in a particular way. Rollstock film is just an industry term for the way we produce film to run on a machine. So if you're going to order rollstock film from us, it's going to be to run on a machine that either you've purchased or a contract packager is going to use for you. So here's a great example of one. This wouldn't be usable on a pouch machine, but on a machine that could package this, it would probably do it in some sort of a wrap pattern like this. It would come around, it would seal it in the back, and then the package might look something a little bit like that. The rollstock film is meant to run on automated equipment. So technically, you could order film and try to make pouches, but that's a very complex process, and it's not going to save you a lot of time. So quite frankly, you're better off ordering finished pouches and let the rollstock be used for the machines that it is meant to run.